If this is your first time investing in the US stock market, I mean, if 2025 is your first time to ever buy a US stock or a Nigerian stock, this video is for you. I'm sure you are concerned with how your portfolio is looking like today, especially if you had bought US stocks like Nvidia. The amount you had invested is quite higher than what the amount is showing now in your portfolio. You're likely panicking. Maybe you have even sold because somebody advised you to sell, or just out of fear, you decided to sell. If you haven't sold, listen to this video to the end. Now, one thing that you need to know is that the stock market is a volatile market. This means that the prices of assets goes up and down within a period of time. But what you should also know is that long-term prices tend to return back to their previous all-time highs and it will surpass it. So maybe if you had bought Nvidia or you bought Meta or whatever stock you had bought, if the price is down today, it's actually an opportunity for you to buy more. Imagine a discount sale is going on in a mall or a supermarket around you. What are you going to do? You're going to go there and look for your favorite products and buy more of them. So also applies in the stock market. Now that the prices are low, it's a time for you to buy more and not the time for you to panic away. Remember, Warren Buffett will always say that be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. And that concern you may have now is that the Nigerian stock market looks like it's performing better than the US stock market. Guys, the stock market in Nigeria is also very volatile. The Nigerian stock market also has its own fair share of market dips. So do not get carried away with this short-term growth you're seeing today and now think that the Nigerian stock market is better than the US stock market. Long-term, the Nigerian stock market has not proven to be better than the US stock market. What I always recommend is that if you love to invest in the Nigerian stock market, also consider the US stock market. You can do it in a 50-50 format. Diversify your investment portfolio. Apart from consistent growth over time in the US stock market for most of the valuable stocks, one of the reasons why I recommend investing in the US stock market is so that you hedge your investment against the devaluation of Naira. Take for example, if you are investing in a stock like MTN in 2021, if you look at the growth that has experienced over the last 3 years compared to the devaluation of Naira, it's almost insignificant. So guys, don't panic. Don't get carried away with what people are saying about the US stock market or the Nigerian stock market. This is the time where you actually need to seek more knowledge. This is the time where you actually have to invest more money in the stock market than ever before. This weekend, I'm going to continue the series on Alchemy of Investing. If you want to learn more about the US stock market, don't miss out. Type invest in the comment section or see the link in my bio, and I'll see you on Saturday by 9 p.m.